Hey everybody, Cutler Edwards from Beach Properties here in Apalachicola at 145 6th Street with a really interesting property to talk about today. This is the Lodge. It was built in the late 19th century and has been fully renovated over the last couple of years into 8 one-bedroom, one-bath apartments. Come on, I'll show you some more. You've got historical marker here underneath the window, actually commemorating a previous renovation, so that was preserved during the renovation. All new windows, hardy siding, nice wide wraparound decks everywhere, and 8 unique one-bedroom, one-bath apartments. You got full kitchens here, mini splits in both the living room and in the dining room, or rather in the bedroom, I'm sorry. Full kitchen, each unit with individual water heaters, so nobody's having to wait for a warm shower. Bedrooms, spacious bathrooms, tile floors, nice big closet. Got a little nook here for a desk or for a dresser, depending on what you're after. Ceiling fans in every room, you know, that's a must in North Florida. And a nice wide corner lot. You've got space both in front of the building and behind for recreation, having a picnic or a community cookout. We really like try to do each of these units a little differently, I think. We've got nice hardwood counters in this unit as well as the one above. You're only a few blocks from downtown here. You're just a few blocks over from the river. 4 units downstairs, 4 units upstairs.
Sorry.
I also want to point out, because it is a multi-unit building, everybody's running their own set of mini splits here. Every unit's metered independently, so these are truly for independent living. You're not sharing resources with anyone else. Makes it an excellent spot for a long-term rental, or for you to maybe keep a unit for yourself and let the others pay the bills for when you come down on vacation. Upstairs, the same setup for 1 bedroom, 1 bath, a little bit different flooring here, a little bit different finishes, just to give some variety. These are about 455 to 460 square feet each, so really would be perfect for couples living, and obviously for vacationing. Come on, we'll sneak around this wide deck here and take a look at the backyard too. I think we've got a big pecan tree that's just about to leaf out back there, which really makes for some nice, smoke on your grill. If you pick up your yard debris, it sort of produces itself. Extra room for parking back here as well. There's a secondary staircase onto the first floor deck, as well as a second egress here. Yeah, and really a pretty cool, unique place. I'd love to show you. Drop a comment below. We'll get you some more information, or hit us up on Facebook. I'm Cutler Edwards with Beach Properties.